Day Algebra, we are moving on to my lucky number actually, CO21. Identifying an equation's slope and y-intercept given an equation or a graph. The comment was made, you learned this last year, therefore I will expect nothing but perfection as we go through the definitions and take a look at this page. So here we go. What is slope intercept form? Christopher.
Y equals mx plus b.
Great start, folks. Here we go. Y equals mx plus b. Okay. Actually, I wrote that in the wrong. See, no, I'm the one who's not being perfect. Y equals mx plus b should be down here. Okay, for the actual formula.
It's just for the top one to be like the form.
It's not the same thing. The top one is like the definition of it. And then this is the actual formula for it. So slope intercept form is the standard form for a linear equation. Meaning if you see something in y equals mx plus b form, you know when you graph it, it's going to be a line. Okay. The definition of slope, we've done this before. Who can regurgitate that? Definition of slope.
James got it.
James?
How a line moves across the coordinate plane.
Stop there. How a line moves across the coordinate plane, and then of course the little math slang term for it, rise over run. Rise over run. That vertical change over the horizontal change. Yes?
My little sister, actually, she calls everything pentas and she hates pentas.
Well, she and I will be beefing then when she gets to 7th. Great, for sure.
They haven't learned that yet.
Yeah, they haven't learned it.
Y-intercept. What is the y-intercept of a linear equation? What's the definition of a y-intercept? Not even about linear, just in general. The definition of a y-intercept, Jan?
Like where the line crosses the y-axis?
Yes. Where the line crosses the y-axis. The definition of a y-intercept is where the line crosses or intercepts the y-axis. And so thus we have slope intercept form. Y equals mx plus b. What does the variable m represent? The big two here are the m and the b. What does m represent? Ella? The slope. Now why would we use m to represent something that starts with an s? You would think they'd be more forethinking here. And why would m be, yeah?
Because it moves, or like it.
Math is confusing.
Move it. I don't know.
M for math.
Multiply.
That's the M thing.
It sounds good.
I like that. I like that. Actually, so the historical reason here is that, of course, we all know language can kind of change over time. So when slope intercept form, when math was first kind of being developed, it was actually called the mlope, not the slope, the mlope. So it used to start with an M. But then as language changed, years passed, it kind of developed into slope. But I like your reasoning better in that it starts with M because that is how you move to get from one point to the next. Okay, you use the mlope. Okay. If I had the button, maybe.
It was my sister.
Yeah. How about the B variable? What does that refer to? Aiden? No? Emily? Buttons? No, it does not refer to buttons. Gus? The Y-intercept. Now, why would we use the B letter for something that doesn't even have a B in it? Ella, I'll give you a chance to shine again.
It's where it begins.
I like that. The real reason is because when language was first being developed, math, it was actually called the Y-Intercept. The Y-Intercept. Yeah, and that's why they use B. But I like L's a lot better It's where you begin your graph. You begin with the y-intercept.
Okay, now you
then
need to
Now you
get
see
the
the
button.
button.
No, it doesn't deserve it because Miss is again being told this is.
That's not true.
No, Ella made it up.
Ella made it up.
No, brilliant. No, you can add now your historical knowledge of slope and y-intercept, but really it's because the y-intercept is where you begin, and the slope is how you move. Okay. Yes.
Get the button.
Huh? Have I gotten a haircut yet?
Getting on.
Yes.
He's getting the
I talked to
He's getting
Heather
the man
and I
bun
said,
with the
Heather,
man fade.
do this. No, I get my haircut on
Get a
Thursday.
tape. Who's Heather?
Heather's my son.
Blow out tape. He's getting Mr. T.
I'm surprised she
You
still
have
has
big.
a
Make
job.
sure to get lined up on the
Wow.
Wow.
Heather, don't take offense. They're mean to everyone,
Get a bud.
especially me.
Get a Mr.
Okay.
Olsen haircut.
So slope and y-intercept, y equals 7x plus 3. What is the slope of this equation, and what is the y-intercept of this equation? Slope and y-intercept. Let's get some voices I've not heard yet today. Heard yours, heard yours, heard yours, yours,
What?
yours,
What is
yours. What is the slope of y equals 7x plus 3?
We go like
You don't hear about
7.
Evelyn,
7.
7 is the slope. And how you know that is because think about, what the form is here. Folks, y equals mx plus b, the coefficient to x, right? That m variable, 7 is in that position. Okay? And then what is the y-intercept? Where is this crossing the y-axis? Yes, 3. And I want you to write this as an ordered pair. Don't just put 3, but write it as the ordered pair 0, 3. It's important to understand that the y-intercept point has an x value of 0, right? If you're on the y-axis, your x value equals 0. This is something that will come up again later on. And so I want us to get in the habit of writing y-intercepts as ordered pairs. The next one, y equals 3/5 x minus 6. What is your slope? What is your y-intercept? Mario, let's go.
The slope is 3/5.
The slope is 3/5. Okay? That coefficient to x. 3/5. It's important to write slope as a fraction. You'll get later on down the line when we start to calculate things. Sometimes if you use a calculator, it'll give it to you as a decimal. You'll want to convert that to a fraction, right? Because that fraction, the specific rise over run, is going to be very, very helpful. Christopher, what is the y-intercept?
It is 0, -6.
0, -6. Well done, including that negative sign. Okay, it belongs to the 6. 0, -6 is correct. The last one, your slope, your y-intercept. Tegan,
Slope is
-7 over 2 is correct. That coefficient to x, your y-intercept. Aiden,
0, 3.
0, 3. Positive 3. Okay? I feel like the light bulbs are shining brightly today, thinking back to last year. Okay? Job well done. The two coordinate planes down here. Again, identifying the slope and the y-intercept. We practiced finding slope in yesterday's objective. Nothing's changed here. It's not anything new. Go back to PO20. What is the slope of that line that's graphed on the coordinate plane there? Evan? 1 over 4. Good job. Up 1, vertical change of 1, horizontal change of 4. Slope is 1/4. Okay? And what is the y-intercept? Where does this cross the y-axis? -1. 0, -1. Good work. Next one. What's our slope?
1 over
Boy.
2.
1 over 1/2.
2,
1 over 2.
1 over 2.
Yeah.
Well, it's 5
Because
over
you
10.
can just go to that other one right there.
Up 5, right, from one ordered pair to the other, over 10.
Or you could just go to the shorter one right there.
Simplify down to 1/2. Job well done. Exactly. Okay. You don't have to use the order pairs given if you recognize, hey, this passes through a corner, right here, and another one right here. You could use that up 1/2. It's all the same thing. If you use 5/10 using the order pairs provided, it does simplify to be 1/2. So either way, 1/2 should be your final answer. And then what is the y-intercept of this? Where's cross y-axis? Evelyn. 0, 4. 0, 4. On the bottom, it says plot the ordered pairs in the corner plane, connect them with a line, and identify the slope and the y-intercept of the line. I'm going to have you do this on your own. If we don't play the number game tomorrow, it'll be the biggest travesty of travesties. 3 questions, 7 minutes to work. Nope. Yeah. I'm not looking at you.
No, not you.
Oh. All right. Questions on CO21. Once you get these points plotted, it's really the same thing as you did up here, right? Yes, Emmeline. Question? Personal. All right. Very well. Anything else? Okay. That is how you math.